Hey friends, Rogers Motorcars here. Today we've got a 2023 Chevy Tahoe LT. This is a two-wheel drive, has 39,000 miles. Very nice, sourced here locally from a client in Houston. It's got the nice big wheels, blacked out. It's black interior, it has bucket seats, the middle captain's chairs. It's got luxury package, pano roof. It's got the surround view ultra vision camera system, all of your blind spot, lane departure warnings, very well optioned. I do have 2 keys and all the books for this. Take a quick look in the back seat here. This customer had seat covers on all of these seats, everything. So they're absolutely perfect, very, very nice. Pano roof is opened up right there. It's got heated seats in the back, heated seats in the front. There's some of our switches and buttons. And 39,253 miles. Of course, CarPlay, Android Auto, all the connectivity stuff as well. Very clean. This seat has no wear on it. Non-smoker. Bose sound system. No dents. Very, very nice. The wheels look good. Could be time for some tires soon if you really want to pick it apart. We can ship this to you anywhere in the country. We can do finance deals. We can do cash deals. We can do deals long distance with the paperwork. Any kind of deal is easy. Very clean. This one has 37 months left on the drivetrain warranty. So it's just past bumper to bumper because it's 39,000 miles, but you have over 3 years of drivetrain warranty left on this one. So give me a call, text me, email, make a comment. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. Follow us on Instagram, Rogers_Motorcars. The website is rogersmotorcars.com. Let's get a deal done on this one. Look at the front bumper. All this looks really nice. It's all blacked out. Really good looking truck. It's got the 5.3 in it, not the 6.2. This is water from the AC running right now. That's all that is. Everything's ready to go. Good service records, clean Carfax. You can get a free Carfax on the website. So go check it out. More pics on the website. Hope to hear from you. Thanks a lot for watching.